I'm snake plant. Best plant for your bedroom. I release oxygen at night while you sleep. That's how I help your sleep feel deeper and cleaner. I'm spider plant. Best plant for a kid's room. I clean toxins from the air. I'm non-toxic and safe, even if a child touches or chews my leaves.
I'm weeping fig. Best plant for large rooms. I trap dust and filter the air. That's why the space feels fresh, like being outside.
I'm peace lily. Best plant against mold. I absorb mold spores from the air. I also help lower excess humidity in the room. I'm Dracaena. Best plant against cigarette smoke. I filter tobacco toxins. That's how the air becomes easier to breathe. I'm aloe vera. Best indicator plant. I change color when the air gets too polluted. That's how you know the air is bad for your health. I'm parlor palm. Best plant for humidity. I soften dry air naturally. I work like a living humidifier, no expensive machines. I'm eucalyptus. Best plant for clear breathing. My scent helps open airways and relax your chest. That's why breathing feels easier, especially at night.
I'm a Dracaena, the ultimate smoke filter. I pull cigarette toxins from the air and freshen up smoky rooms. I'm a peace lily, the ultimate mold fighter. I catch spores right out of the air and help soak up extra moisture. I'm a snake plant, aka mother-in-law's tongue. I'm perfect for the bedroom. I release oxygen at night to help you sleep soundly. I'm a spider plant, perfect for the nursery. I catch toxins from the air and I'm completely safe, even if your little one takes a bite. I'm a weeping fig, perfect for spacious rooms. I trap dust on my leaves and filter the air, bringing that fresh after the rain feeling. I'm aloe vera, a natural air monitor. When the air is polluted, my leaves turn dark. And don't forget to subscribe.